Okay, hello. We are from University of Southern Denmark. It's in Denmark, and our task here is double-fold. One is we represent Princess Norah University, which is a new female university here. We run their program Bachelor of Science in Health Promotion, Health Education and Epidemiology. It's a 3-year bachelor with 1-year internship. We have about 70 students, and we are really motivated and eager to take these young women forward in the society. And here you see some material if you're interested about it, more like about the program contents and the leaflet. So this is our local task here at the moment. And we do so that we bring our university staff monthly, normally, professors and juniors, and then a new team comes for a new month's course. And I think that's the most of this part. Then the next part of our task is here we represent our home university, and our own background is in public health promotion. And the material we have here is about our International Master of Science in Public Health. This is a small leaflet here with the program. We have about half of the students, about 90 students from different countries. Here we have a short leaflet from the research unit I'm leading with about 30 people. Describes our research programs, PhD programs, and the educations we lead. For example, this International Master in Public Health. Here we show you material about overall our University of Southern Denmark PhD programs, describing the list of present programs and contact information. At the moment, for example, in my unit we have 8 PhD students, more than half of them come from developing countries, and actually 3 of them are working in Saudi Arabia at the moment. And then maybe here I can show, this is just a booklet to show the main research themes of the whole university when it comes to health sciences faculty. And to go further, I think the last thing here actually is we as a university, I as personally, am coordinating this international research project funded by the European Union, which is a 5-year project, and the aim is to get research into policy to enhance physical activity, which is also a real challenge in this country. So the project describes the partners from different countries and the aims and how far we are at the moment. So our task here is really to develop not only education and empower women, in the way it's culturally good in this country and accepted and doable, but also really to raise the level of education. And here we know lifestyle diseases are really high on the agenda because of the sedentary lifestyles. So we have a lot of metabolic syndrome, obesity problems. So we are aiming at our work so that we provide new professionals with the skills to turn the direction of this lifestyle disease. And with me here is Toyin from Nigeria.
Hello.
And my name is Arya, like I said. So we are 2 of our 4-person monthly team. We were the ones who started now. And the faculty, maybe I didn't mention, the faculty of Princess Norah University we are working at is the Faculty of Rehabilitation and Health Sciences. It has 11 programs, and our program is one of the 11 ones. I think.
Thank you very much. Yeah.